रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट नहीं किया था। ठीक है,
कैन आई स्टार्ट? हेलो,
यस कर सकते हैं आप।
Good morning, good afternoon to all. I am Pallavi Mondol and my team member are Ananna ji, Reena ji and Meena ji. And our presentation topic is what happens when menstruation cannot be managed properly. So to know this, we must first know that what is menstruation is. Menstruation is a normal slide. Menstruation is a normal biological process which maintains the female reproductive cycle. Without this process, there would be no ovulation and hence no reproduction. In India, out of the total 355 million no menstruating women, only 42.6% use the most basic form of menstrual hygiene product, namely sanitary pads. Lack of awareness and sociocultural beliefs that menstruation as a daily phase in women's lives have long deprived. In rural India, where the taboo related to menstruation hygiene is even stronger, many girls are forced to leave school out of fear, public shaming, and discomfort. Next slide. Next slide, please. Reasons that account for poor menstruation hygiene in women are first, poverty. Poverty. It is one of the top reasons that force women to restore and to unhygienic menstruation. Regressive menstruation beliefs. In any regressive menstruation beliefs in any societies forbid women to dry their menstruation clothes in the sun, wash on night. So there was many cultural beliefs that menstruation is a bad things. So this is one of the reason for poor menstruation hygiene. And third is lack of awareness regarding the importance of menstruation hygiene. That's all. Now over to Anana ji.
Thank you, Pallavi. Good afternoon, everybody. There are many causes that leads to that many scones that is the result of poor menstrual hygiene. Here I will discuss few of them. According to BBC magazine, around 70% of the reproductive infections in Indian women are caused by poor menstrual hygiene. There are grave health risks in period of if adequate sanitary measures are not taken. First of all, that is infection of reproductive tract. Contaminated product used to contain menstrual blood are breeding grounds for several bacteria like Salmonella, E. coli, and many more. These bacteria can multiply rapidly in the reproductive tract, starting for the cervix and upwards. They can Hello, am I audible now? Hello.
Yes.
Please pardon me. Might be I have facing some network issue. Please let me know how much you can hear from my side. Hello. Should I continue? Okay, thank you. So I was talking about infection of reproductive tract. This is the dangerous bacteria that can also enrich in the genital tract and that causes the reproductive tract infection, which is not sexually transmitted. Not changing the sanitary napkin on a frequent basis, that is within 4 hours, that can contribute more moisture retention and accelerated the growth of harmful microorganisms. Second, I will discuss about the urinary tract infection. This is the most common form of infection that is present in women participating poor menstrual hygiene. UTI presents one of the most serious health risks in periods where hygiene is compromised. When harmful bacteria invade in the urinary tract, they can irritate the mucosal region and causes infection. If it left untreated, it can be more harmful. It can cause to death also. Improper washing of the external genital area, washing with only water or poor product. This will also causes the UTI during menstruation. Next, I will say about the yeast infections. Candidiasis is the yeast infection which can be caused for poor menstrual hygiene maintenance. Candida albicans is a opportunistic microbe that can cause infection in the reproductive tract and urinary tract. 75% of women is reproductive stage and mostly asymptomatic. And there is one more thing, that is hepatitis B infection. Hepatitis B infection is easily transmitted through the bodily fluid, including the menstrual discharge. Hence, it is important to wash your hand thoroughly with the soap and water after and before changing sanitary napkins. At the same time, some are true for sexually transmitted disease like HIV, candidiasis, and trichomonas infection. Improper menstrual hygiene leads also to the cervical cancer. Cervical cancer is one of the cervical area, and that urine opening is predominantly caused by the
Okay, next one slide, please. Hi. Then important personal hygiene tips you must follow during menstruation. Firstly, just change your sanitary napkin every 4 and 6 hours. The must have safe access to clean material to observe your clogged menstrual blood, and these items must be acceptable to the individually who need them. And wash yourself properly 2 and 3 times regularly, and don't use soap or Virginia hygiene products. Discard of sanitary napkin properly. Stick to one method of sanitization. Always pat the vaginal area dry after every wash. These all things are comes to hello.
Yes, you are audible. Please continue.
Okay. These all things, they have wide agreement about what is required during menstrual. ये सारी चीजें हमें जो मैंने जैसे कि आपको स्लाइड में भी नजर आ रही है, ये मैंने आपको शो की है, ये हमें नेचुरली करनी ही करनी है. साथ में हमें सबको अवेयर करना है और प्रिपेयर करना है इन सब चीज़ों के लिए कि जो भी हम कोई भी प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करते हैं इस तरीके से या कुछ भी करते हैं, तो सबसे पहले हमारा हाइजीनिक होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. प्रॉपरली अपने आप को अच्छे से अपना ख्याल खुद रखना है हमें कि हमें 4 to 6 आवर में नैपकिन चेंज करना है, या कोई भी प्रोडक्ट अगर हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं कि उससे हमें ईचिंग या इन्फेक्शन ऐसी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम्स अगर नज़र आती है तो हमें तुरंत ही उसका प्रॉपर इलाज करना है। इलाज मीन्स आप समझ सकते हो कि हमें उसका ध्यान देना है कि हमें क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, उस तरीके से हमें उसे प्रॉपरली हैंडल करना है। लास्ट में बाइंड करने के साथ साथ मैं आप लोगों को एक छोटी सी चीज़ शेयर करना चाहूँगी, जैसा कि ये सिर्फ मेरे लिए नहीं, हमारी पूरी टीम के लिए है, सिर्फ मेरी टीम के लिए नहीं, क्योंकि बहुत अच्छा सबने बहुत अच्छा किया है और कर रहे हैं। जैसा कि हमारा पूरा मंथ ये ख़त्म होने जा रहा है उसके लिए, और जैसा कि हमारी टीम का नाम ही है बुलंद उड़ान, तो इसके ऊपर ही 2 लाइन्स कहना चाहूँगी और सबको थैंक्स कहना चाहूँगी कि परिंदों को मंजिलें मिलेंगी यकीनन, ये फैले हुए उनके पर बोलते हैं। परिंदों को मंजिलें मिलेंगी यकीनन, ये फैले हुए उनके पर बोलते हैं। अक्सर वो लोग खामोश रहते हैं जमाने में जिनके हुनर बोलते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच। अभी मेरी नेक्स्ट स्लाइड थैंक्स के ऊपर ही थी। सॉरी प्रदीप, मैंने आपको बोला नहीं कि आप नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे किए। थैंक यू सो मच।